could not do entertainment at the Disneyland Resort or in any of our theme parks around the world without lighting. Disneyland I like to think of as a theater. And a theater, of course, lighting directs, it prioritizes, it really sets the stage for telling a story.
The idea is to have the guests taken from the real world to a different place in time, maybe something more innocent. So we want the lighting to help create that.
Lighting is not supposed to be the first thing you see when you walk into the parks, but it definitely creates the mood and the understanding and the creativity that they want to express. So I think we play a very big role in that.
Lighting is the thing that allows us to really take the magic to another level, because we can create effects and create looks and just enhance things beyond what we can do during the normal daytime.
A prime example most recently is our Small World facade lighting that we did. As part of the rehab, we were able to replace it all with color-changing LED technologies, synced back to a show controller. And so now with the clock show that runs at Small World, the facade colors change in sync with the music, and the lighting really enhances it in a huge way.
Here in the park, you're sitting in a vehicle and you're able to look in every direction. So the lighting is primarily the most important element in directing you to what it is we want you to focus on, what it is that's telling the story.
Each of our attractions has got a different sort of theme and story that it tells, and we reinforce that through the use of illumination levels and color.
It's almost like paint in a way. In the day we can paint our buildings and our surfaces with colors and plant materials and flowers, but at night it becomes something very, very different. And night extends all day long inside our shows here at Disneyland. So once you enter a door, you enter a magic world, and that is the value and the challenge for the lighting designer.
Energy efficiency and sustainability are a critical part of what we do every day.
You can imagine with the hundreds of thousands of lights throughout the park that a longer life product and energy savings product is really huge for Disney as far as reducing maintenance costs and reducing their monthly electrical bill.
The resort hotels are undergoing renovation. In terms of energy, we're also given the opportunity to better integrate CFL lighting and LEDs. And we're able to get that look that's important to us and important to our guests and still conserve energy.
My facilities team is responsible for lighting in the parking structures, the parking lots, the hotel rooms, the merchandise shops, the attractions, Main Street, you name it. So it's a big job. We look for the most energy efficient lighting, and we're very conscious of anything we can do to conserve our resources.
I don't think you'll find a company that has a better environmental and sustainability portfolio than Siemens. We've got a broad array of products and solutions, and Disney realizes that's a great opportunity for us to help them become more sustainable.
Disney is always very receptive, whether it be Disneyland Resorts or Walt Disney World. They are very receptive to looking at the products, understanding them so that they can see if they will apply to what they are looking for in the future.
Sylvania has been lighting homes for over 100 years, and to be able to combine the two iconic brands, Sylvania and Disney, it's just been a fantastic coup for us.
We're pushing ourselves constantly in the creation of our entertainment, in the creation of our parades, in the creation of our shows and spectaculars. And one of the, honestly, the best tools in the industry of all the things we do, from sound and special effects, is lighting. Because lighting technology has moved so far ahead in what you can do, the amount of light, the color changing capabilities, the size of fixtures that can be smaller yet very bright. And Sylvania is a great example of being a partner in that technology with us, that have allowed us to really continue to raise the bar on what we do and create experiences that are more magical and more immersive as we continue to look to just dazzle and amaze our guests.
There's no words to describe the pride. It's just a great feeling knowing that you're helping an iconic brand even get better, but more importantly, that knowing that you're part of all the excitement.